guys. So I went to Hobby Lobby today and had fun, and I did a do-it-yourself project, and I want to share with you what I did. So this, first of all, is my final outcome. See my little Gerber daisies in my little glass vase with the rocks? How cute are we? I'm getting all ready for spring over here. I thought it was cute. Okay, putting her off to the side. So basically what I did is I went and I got a container of these rose quartz gem builders from Hobby Lobby, which they're cute, they're little stones. And then I bought a bag of the Mosaic, I'm going to mess up that name, accents. They glow in the dark. Ooh, I didn't even realize that. That's kind of cool. I'll be looking at that tonight. And I mixed them together in a bowl, plastic bowl over here. And I just dumped them together in here. And I had the glass vase already, so that's not from Hobby Lobby. I can't give them credit for that. And I created my own little project. And I thought it was fun. Because it's spring, so I don't know if you've changed the things around or not in your house yet, but it is time to go out with the old colors and in with the new. Pull out your pastels and all that kind of stuff. Get rid of your oranges, your burnt oranges, and your browns and everything else. Hobby Lobby this week only is doing 50% off on all your home decors and stuff like that. So I got good deals on that kind of stuff. All right, that's it. Bye, guys. Talk to you later.